Hey, what's good, YouTube? It's Koopa back at you with a new vid. And as you can tell by the title, this is going to be the Supreme unboxing. I got the soup set, which I'm pretty excited. It was pretty much the only item I wanted. And I also got another package coming of the classic hoodie, the metallic in yellow. And I'm willing to sell that, so just comment below or DM me, get a hold of me. I'll put all my social medias down below. And of course, just get in contact with me and we'll work something out. I'm thinking maybe 200 ship, something like that. But we could always work it out. But yeah, I'm gonna show you guys some hats. Maybe not one of these, not one of these. But yeah, I'm gonna show you guys the soup set first. So let's get to the unboxing. I just got this today. I was hella surprised myself because I did not think, like, no one knocked on my door. I literally went out to throw away some trash. Let's get some light in there, a little bit more light. But yeah, it was outside my door. Could they at least knock? Maybe they knocked. I was too busy cooking food, breakfast, whatever. But yeah, right now I'm just bumming it. It is a rainy day in Washington State, so just basically wait until I gotta work later in the afternoon. But it's all good because your boy got this and I could make a video. Hey, regarding my videos, yeah, I just never really had anything to show you guys. I have been picking up stuff, but nothing like worthwhile. That's why I decided to get these hats out and just show you guys like some blank hats I've been rocking. I've been wearing a lot of blank hats where just just solid colors. I might attach a pin or two to them. And who knows, I might do some embroidery on them for my Grand A crown, which will be really cool. But for now, they're blank. So I might as well show you guys some of those. Make this video a little bit more interesting, a little bit more than what it is, than in the boxing, So what we got, okay, we got the fortune cookie, which was the gift, the free gift that they gave out, already crushed. My little philosophy saying, like, my way of thinking is that I have to eat the fortune cookie before I could read the fortune. But I pretty much know what this says. So maybe I'll show you guys some of that in the clips following this video. So why not? So here we go. Okay, it's a lot smaller than I thought. Oh, they gave me hella stickers. All right, so we got this sticker right here. Definitely show you guys some close-ups of that. That is a nice sticker. I'm not gonna try to pronounce that. It is French. Looks like French. Let's put that down first. Let me show you guys the stickers. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I actually thought this was gonna sell out, to be honest, guys. But it didn't. Copped it easily. Even copped a hoodie like minutes later, like probably 10, 13 minutes later. So that'll be coming soon. That's shipped separately and shipped days later. Like I got the notification for this later that day, and for the hoodie a few days later. So here it is. Here we go. Look at that. It's the Supreme soup set. To be honest, guys, I might be using this. I don't know. Yo, what's up, YouTube? Have you ever seen those commercials? I believe it's for iPhone, where they're like recording something and then it says like a pop-up comes up, it's like storage full. And it's like another commercial for some other product that has like a lot of storage, whatever. That's basically what happened to me. So we're gonna redo this. Here's the bowl. I got the bowl. Still, spoon soup sets with the spoon. Where did I leave off? I basically just showed the bowl. So here it is. I'm gonna definitely do some close-up shots right now. Here it is, the soup bowl set. So yeah, really small. Doubt it could fit like a cup of noodles, whatever. We'll see. We'll see. It's nice. It's nice though. It's nice. Definitely gonna use it at least once, at least. So yeah, we got the soup. Well, we got the bowl, no soup, with the spoon. Look at that nice detail. pretty cool. And here you guys go. Eat some. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Mmm. Should enjoy that. Some Supreme. Some Hypebeast cereal. I don't know. But yeah, it's nice. It's nice. Yeah. All right. Now that you've seen those, let me show you guys the hats. Why not make this little video a little bit more interesting? Show you guys some blank hats I've been wearing and some stuff about them. So first off, on my head, green snapback, low profile hat, really dope. Snapback, boom with a snap. Yeah, I like this green color. You know, it's not like cock green or like slime green. It's like a nice forest green, I guess. But yeah, I got this. Yeah, they're all blank, and might do some embroidery soon. Why not? That'd be cool. Next one, it's this one right here. It is a blue navy cap. See that? Strap back. This one's actually brand new at the thrift. All these were thrifted, by the way. And yeah, it was brand new. It like had a plastic thing on the strap, which was cool. So copped it. It was like $2. Why not? Why not? That's why I cop all these stuff, because they're hella cheap. Next, let's do this one because it's basically the same thing, just in a different color. Here we go. We got a red, maroon, burgundy. I'm gonna say maroon. Another dad cap. Hate that term. Whatever. I'm gonna say it just to make things a little easier. And yeah, indeed it is a strap back. From the brand Fahrenheit. Fashion headwear. Yeah, that's cool. So it has like an F on the strap. Look at that. Look at that. You see that? That's an F. Same thing. Yeah, Fahrenheit. Cool. Nice blank red strap back. Nice. Drop it to the flow. Next. Oh, yeah, don't fall. Anyways, next one. This one was actually free. Cool little story. So I was basically wearing this. I found it at the thrift, wore it, and hats are probably like, again, like $1 or something with tax and all. But put on my head, found something else. I believe it was a t-shirt. Go to the cash register, like give them the tea. Halfway through checking out, so basically I was gonna give him the money. I was like, oh wait, I got this hat. Pull it out, take it off my head. He's like, oh yeah, you can just take that. And I was like, thank you, my man, because this is dope. This is like a nice denim blue cap, and again, it's a dad cap. Yeah, dad cap. But your boy had to personalize it a little bit, just a tad. Put a little Brigade USA for the win button, pin, whatever you want to call it. And of course, on the side, left side, we got Jirachi's coolness right there. Make a wish. Yeah, from the mythical collection. A little update on that. I have all of them so far, and it's already September, so I believe the next one is Genesect. Probably. I'll do a little Googling later. I'll definitely correct myself if I'm wrong during the editing process. But yeah, definitely caught up with that, and got them all so far. And the year is almost winding down, so they're about to end all of these. So gotta collect them all. Yeah, that's the last cap. Got it for free. Good. Yeah, I showed this already. Sorry, I filmed this like twice already, so like, hopefully this doesn't happen again, because fuck you, iPhone. Fuck you. Yeah, that's it. I'm gonna definitely show you guys some close-ups of the stickers, the cookie. So thanks for watching. Koopa's out. Peace. Have a good summer. And if you're in school, stay in school. Do your thing in school. Hit them books. Yeah. Peace. Oh, peace, yeah. Really happy with the outcome of these stickers. Like how many I got. Never gotten this many. So gotta show you guys. We got the Supreme, Capone, and Noriega, the War Report box logo sticker, which is nice. Nice. This one, yeah, I'm not even gonna try saying that, because just embarrassing myself. Here we go. We got the screws. Another cool, it was on a t-shirt. Yeah, cool screws. This one, whatever, you know, like Ingrid Michaelson's, whatever, I don't know. That was Wu-Tang. That was my Wu-Tang. But glass sticker. It's that I don't know. I don't like it. I didn't like the T-shirt. Nor do I like this saying. It's whatever, but I don't know. Some people like it. I just don't. But I got the sticker. Yeah. 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 Before I leave, I got to show off the fortune cookie. Let's open this bitch. My excuse. I just worked out. No, I'm kidding. Mmm. Tastes like supreme. It's my lunch. Fuck. Mmm. So anyways, there it is. Supreme. Let's see what it says on the back. What's our fortune, guys? Money talks, bullshit walks. Yep. True.